As I was in the demo room doing a open boxing of the Dali IO6 headphones, I thought I'd do a quick video of our demo room. You can see this is our familiar view if you've seen our Instagram account. Generally this is the place where we spend a bit more time with customers, wanting to have a little more in-depth listen, compare speakers, amplifiers, record players, etc. It's upstairs out of the way of the shop floor, so it's a little bit quieter. Not normally as much stuff in here as there is currently, but it does change around a little bit from time to time. We happen to have a few larger pairs of speakers in at the moment, making the room look a little bit cluttered, but that'll all change in the next couple of weeks when we open up the new store in Wendover, hopefully. So quick scan round. We have up at the back here the ATC SCM19s and the Revel F35 floor standards, the new KEF R5 and R7s, PMC 2526s, the Rubicon, Dali Rubicon 6s. There's a Spendor A4 in the corner there next to the Neat Explorers. Up on the wall we've got ATC, the HTS SCM7s and 11s, so the on-wall options from ATC. We've obviously got our lovely Rega turntable wall, special models from across the years. Top left is the first turntable Rega made in '73, and then we've got a Rega planner from '75, one of 200 made with an aluminium platter. There's a Rega 25, which is their 25th anniversary, which was made in '98. And then we run into the limited edition, more modern one. So 2015 was a Queen deck. The record store day decks from 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018. The 2019 one's still downstairs in the shop. There's a Union Jack edition RP1 Performance, and up in the top right is a Tim Burgess edition RP1, one of 3 made. The artwork was done by a gentleman called Pete Fowler. It was for Tim Burgess from the Charlatans to advertise his book, and the artwork is taken from the front cover of his book. We're quite lucky to have that one here. No, it's not for sale. It's just for the wall. Coming back down to the speakers, we've got the new Fyne F502 SPs, the special editions. Currently got those in, just running in. A couple of people very interested in this product. It's certainly an awful lot of speaker for the money. You can check it out on the website. It's under the new products listed. We've got some Dali Oberon on walls and the quite shockingly good Sennheiser Ambio soundbar. Panning to the right, Spendor A7s, a slightly larger speaker to the A4, the new Gold 200s, and the Fyne Audio F702s. The 502 SP takes a lot of technology from the 7 into a slightly more environment friendly cabinet. When I say that loosely, it's still quite a large speaker, but an awful lot of performance for the money. It's been set up at the minute with the Norma amplifier. Norma's a new brand to us. Picked them up from after hearing them at the Bristol show in February. Italian brand. Just had some very good reviews online for this. Online and in the magazines for this amplifier. And currently, because we're just running the speakers in, we've got the Blue Sound Node 2 playing, streaming high-res radio, but there is the new Rega Planner 10 on the top as well. So that's a quick scan of the demo room and the horrible curtains at the back, which we never get around to changing. And yeah, if anyone's interested, we can do a little video tour of the rest of the shop. Cheers.